Hi everyone, I'm Sriram. I would like to start this video by saying Happy Mother's Day to all mothers in this world. I would also like to pay tribute in this video to all women who are watching my video, to all women in the world as well. Thank you so much for supporting men. Yeah, without you, we are nothing. So I'm going to the topic now with two examples. These two great personalities have been living as an inspiration for many women in the world. Yeah, one is Miss Kiran Mazumdar Shah. She is the CEO of Biocon Limited. Those who don't know what Biocon does, Biocon is a biotechnology company. It does a turnover of 5,000 crores, and Miss Kiran Mazumdar Shah is the CEO of that company. So when you go back to the flashback of Miss Kiran Mazumdar Shah, she started this company when she was 25 years old in 1978. During that time, many banks rejected her loan. They didn't even give rupees 10,000 to start the company. They told her, you're a woman, what you're going to achieve. You're a female, what you're going to achieve by starting this company. Now, Kiran Mazumdar Shah proved everyone wrong that men or women, it doesn't matter. What matters is you should be having a right talent. You should be having the self-confidence to achieve something in this world. So now, many men are working under Ms. Kiran Mazumdar Shah. Many banks who rejected her are now regretting their decision for rejecting her loan. Yeah, this is what we need to learn from Ms. Kiran Mazumdar Shah. The next example is Ms. Sharon Muthu. I don't know how many of you know Ms. Sharon Muthu. She is an American actress. She acted in some Hollywood movies. She gave voice to many Hollywood artists as well. Such an inspiration she is actually. The important thing is she is a brand ambassador for Dark is Beautiful campaign. She says only one thing: if you're dark, it doesn't matter at all. Your skin tone doesn't matter at all. So ladies who are watching my video, I would like to say you this: you're no lesser than men, and you're always beautiful. However you're always beautiful. If you're dark, it doesn't matter. If you're chubby, it doesn't matter. If you're short, it doesn't matter. If you're tall, it doesn't matter. What matters is you should be having the right talent. You should be having the self-confidence. Every woman is beautiful in this world. So this is what we can learn from Ms. Sharon Muthu and Ms. Kiran Mazumdar Shah as well. So they both proved that women can achieve anything in this world. Only thing is self-confidence is very important, and you should bring out your talent. You would be having some hidden talent in you. Those hidden talent, it has to come out. Then only you can achieve something, right? Self-confidence is everything. Hidden talent, you need to understand that you have a talent, that you need to bring it out, and you need to achieve something great in this life. Men who are watching this video, I would like to suggest you that you should keep on motivating women surrounding you. It may be your wife, it may be your mother, it may be your sister. They would be having some talent. They can either sing well, they can either dance well, or anything they might do. That you need to understand, bring it out, and support them. Yeah, you need to keep supporting women, and they have been supporting us in some other ways. You have to support them in their career in order to achieve something great in their life actually. And every woman has to understand that you have a talent. Don't waste your time. If you have a talent, bring it out. That is very important actually. Now from Ms. Sharon Muthu, we learned that the skin tone doesn't matter at all. She is dark, but it doesn't matter at all. From Kiran Mazumdar Shah, we learned that actually being a woman, you can achieve anything in this world. It doesn't matter if you're a man, if you are a woman, it doesn't matter at all. You can achieve anything great in this world. So this is what I wanted to share with you. Thank you all for supporting me.